Hey, listen. What do you hear? The roar of an engine? Or the outrageous scream of someone breaking the rules? Are these scissor doors? Or a definitive break with the past? And what about this? A headlamp showing the way? Or an invitation to open your eyes and be bold? And this is a line drawn by pencil, right? No, it's more than that. It's what we call the Countach line. And it marked the end of the sports car to become the first supercar. And now, what do you see? Just a picture on a calendar? A poster on 100, 1,000, 1,000,000 walls? Oh, believe me, it's far more than that. It's our collective imagination, the most inaccessible place in the world. Here, only true icons have the power to enter and to change who we are, forever. Today, 50 years since its first unforgettable unveiling, we turn back to look at it again. And what we see is our future. The new Lamborghini Countach. Future is our legacy.